Hypertension hunting, day 3. So today I began my day with a banana. Banana has high potassium that helps in lowering high blood pressure. So one banana a day, it's very good for your body. So stay locked in today as I take you through diastolic, systolic, and pulse. Systolic pressure is the pressure in your arteries when your heart contracts and pumps blood out. It shows how much force your heart uses to push blood through the body. It matters because high systolic numbers often mean stiff arteries or heart strain. Diastolic pressure is the pressure in your arteries when the heart relaxes between beats. It shows how well arteries relax and how much resistance they have. Why it matters: high diastolic numbers can indicate blood vessels that aren't relaxing enough. Pulse is basically heart rate. It's the number of heartbeats per minute. It shows how fast your heart is working at rest or during activity. Too high or too low may reflect stress, fitness level, dehydration, or heart issues. So normal systolic pressure should be anything less than 120. Diastolic pressure anything less than 80. Pulse anything less than 60. High blood pressure, it's a silent killer. It's asymptomatic, therefore it has no symptoms. The first symptom to high blood pressure is sudden death. So it's very, very important to be checking your blood pressure regularly. Remember, awareness is the first step to prevention. So thank you guys. That has been my time.